All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have some really cool products from the company Ekster, as you can see here. They're kind of the Teslas of wallets, and I partnered up with them a while back, and they were kind enough to reach out again. They got this new Finder card here, but they also have a really cool summer sale going on where you can get up to 25% off of some product on their site. But if you happen to go down in the description and use my promo code RF and follow my link, you'll get some extra savings as well. So kind of cool of them to provide that for y'all. So definitely go and check them out if you are interested in some really cool wallets or card holders. But we'll start with this right here, which is the Finder card. As you can see, it says it right there, right? But it works with Apple Find My, which is really, really cool. So I've already actually used it and set it up on my phone. See if I can get this going. Here we go. So this is going to cost you around 49 bucks or so. But as you can see here, it says better gear for life on the go. Now, if you flip it over, it does give you a little bit of a description of how to actually activate it and everything like that. But I'll show you really briefly in this video, like kind of how to use it with certain things. Don't want to get too lost in the weeds on it, because if you've ever used a Find My device of some sort, then it works pretty dang good. But here it is. So this is kind of a matted black, almost like a debit card. It's very thin. It's a little bit thicker than a card. But as you can see here, it's pretty simple. You know, it's got some extra branding there. It does have a little button here on the back that you can push to turn on and off if you want. When you first get it out, you push it and it stays lit up. So that way you can kind of go on the finding mode when you're going through the Find My app. Now there are two little prongs there, which obviously leads us to this right here, which is the charging cable. So it's a USB-A to this kind of proprietary little magnetic connectors there, which, just FYI, it goes this way. So it goes on this side. If you try to do it this way, it's just opposites don't attract and it doesn't click, but go that side, boom, there you go. And then you just plug it up. And what's cool about this is, with it being rechargeable, it does last 6 months on one single charge, according to Ekster. Now, obviously I haven't had it long enough to test that, but I will say that does give me some peace of mind when it comes to something like this, because you can use this inside of your backpack, inside of your wallet. I mean, literally inside of anything that you want, that you do not want to lose. And what I like about it, like I said, is just this very slim profile. So even if I wanted to use it with my current wallet, which I've had this thing for a year at least, I mean, it's got some bumps and bruises here, but keep all my debit cards and stuff in here. But if I wanted to, I could totally put this in my wallet or my card holder, and it fits in just nicely. Now, one kicker though is I've tested it, and it's about a 3 card max when I have this in there. So it's nicely filled up, but I'm still able to push it and get everything out of there. So that is pretty cool. So if I don't want to lose, you know, my wallet or whatever, then I got this here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone real quick, and I'm going to get into the Find My here. And here's the Ekster wallet. Gonna blur out my address so that way I don't come and be a creep and stalk me. But if I push the play sound button, it does emit this loud sound. You can easily find it. Online it says about 95 decibels, so it should be easy to find. You can also do directions to it and stuff like that. Just like anything that if you were to lose an item that has Find My, and that's globally, by the way. So that is pretty cool. So this is a fun little thing. Like I said, for 50 bucks, not that bad. If you buy in bulk or buy more than one at one time, then you get some extra savings. But like I said, use my code and you'll save even more money. So let's go and put that to the side there. And let's go ahead and look at what they sent as well. So these are their card holders. Now this one here, I have not opened and played with yet. But oh yeah, this is the Ghost one, I think it's called. So as you can tell, it's a really cool matted white finish. Has this back here where you can slide some cards in and stuff like that if you want to. You know, typically you can just kind of push it out and slide cards and stuff in there. They do the same effect like my other one, so it pops up and you got your cards in there. The band I've always appreciated because whenever I put cash, since it doesn't have like a money clip, I fold cash like I did here, and I kind of roll it in there if I do carry cash with me. But what's really cool about this one is that it is glow in the dark. So this next one here is kind of going to be more of like a matted black one, which I've kind of been playing around with a little bit. But what I really like is that it has like this oil spill, like oil slick type of card holder back here, which just looks super sick. I think it looks pretty cool compared to like even like my just matte black one that I have in my carbon fiber one here. But I just really think this thing looks super sick. I mean, just look at the colors, the rainbowing effect. Same situation, you know, with the cards here. Definitely want to pull that up a little bit there. There we go. But this is their matte black one, which looks really cool. I actually already have this one, but I don't have this card holder back here. Yeah, I mean, it looks really, really, really good. But the thing I love about these, just from using them for, I mean, like I said, a year now, is the main thing is just loving the fact that I can just put this in my pocket and it's good to go. I love being able to do that, get my card out, my driver's license, whatever. I love being able to fold some cash in here, and it's a very nice, you know, rubber band kind of thing that does hold very nicely, and it's a nice smooth silicone. But if you're looking, like I said, for something new, I would highly recommend these guys. Like I said, I mean, they make quality product. I've used them for over a year now. I really love their wallets. Adding this Finder card in the mix is going to be really cool, especially for people who have other products that they don't want to lose, like their backpack, maybe their camera gear bag, maybe their kid's baseball bag, for all I know. I mean, you can use it for pretty much anything, but being able to get directions to it and play that loud sound to find it if your wallet is in a couch cushion or something, I think is pretty cool. So I highly recommend going to their website, checking out their sell, seeing if anything stands out to you, maybe one of these products that I have here in the video. But like I said, be sure to follow my link and use my promo code RF to get some extra savings. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. I'll see you on the next one.